shot there. Pecco Bagnaia, though, the reigning world champion. Can he win the Clash of COTA from pole? This full throttle. Lights out, and we're underway here in Texas. A really good start from pole position again by Pecco Bagnaia. He's desperately trying to find a way through. He can't. Pecco Bagnaia in position A.
It really bunched up there in turn one.
Oh, crash. That's one of the Prima Pramac racing machines, isn't it? It's Alex Marquez, I think, as well. Two of the men that we thought were going to be big hitters in this full Grand Prix. Down. Rins attacks Bagnaia down the hill in the braking zone for turn number 11. That was so close, but he can't find a way through it.
Quartararo braking super late. That's where he has to make up his time. Quartararo through Marini into fourth position.
Alexis Margaret's gone down as well. But it's been picture perfect already for Pecco Bagnaia.
KTM will be loving that, seeing Jack Miller up in third place. Quartararo runs fourth.
Oh, Jack Miller's crashed. Oh no, Jack Miller has gone down.
Rins continues to shadow Bagnaia.
Alex Rins, he was thinking about a move there, wasn't he? You can just see that Honda snaking around underneath him on the brakes. Perfetto, bravo. Eccoci un po' dei decimini di...
Bagnaia's down!
Pecco Bagnaia has crashed again out of the lead. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Davide Tardozzi sinks to his neck. I cannot believe it.
Lucio Cecchinello. Likes what he sees. Pressure. That was the key word.
Now, LCR Honda rider Alex Rins is the leader.
Marini eyeing up a first MotoGP podium.
Oh, look at this by Marini. There is the clearest indication, not that we need the massive speed differential. Calm.
Marco Bezzecchi is down in the 204s. He's now been overtaken by Vinales and Oliveira. And he's now in a battle with John Franco for 6th and 7th. Crucial points still to be picked up for Bezzecchi.
Alex Rins will be back on the top step of the podium for the first time in a Honda. Crisis for Honda. The Americans. LCR Honda. Absolutely awesome for Marini. He takes second. Quartararo takes the final place on the podium. But Alex Rins is back on top here in COTA.